look at this. Oh. 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 All I did was put makeup on the lace, y'all. Oh, baby girl. Then I'm gonna just put my clamps back. This hair, I don't have no glue on it. Nothing but the clamps holding this hair back. I'm just clamp, and that's it. Tell your man good night, and then take your wig off like that. That's it. He gonna love you just like this, either way. Not the first night. Gotta have a little history, baby girl. Don't just be popping up like this. Doing that on the first night. You wasn't staying here for. No, y'all good for that. Hey y'all, I'm back with another bomb video. Excuse my mannequin head. Girl, she been through a lot. What was said? You heard her. What was said? Anyway, let's get into this video. This video is a wig video, and this closure wig, this beautiful closure wig, is from Wiggins hair. It comes with a just not a full lace wig, but it's just a closure, like I said, and I just molded it down. I took it straight out the bag. It still has the lace on there, y'all. This wig, the wig comes in this little baggie like so. It comes with some bomb lashes. Come on out. I should get, you know, I might do a giveaway with these lashes because I got a lot of them. They always send you lashes in a wig cap, and if you need a wig cap too, girl, I got you covered. And then it comes with this strap to go in your to tighten up your wig if you need to do that. But what I like the most, and you know it comes in this little baggie that says Wiggins, but what I like the most is that I got to pick out all of these different, these are all head scarves, different colors. Oh, this black and white one is so pretty, y'all. I mean, I got a whole bunch of them. They're all scarves, y'all. And last but not least, this one. But let's get into the wig, y'all. I have not even cut the lace off of her. So what I'm gonna do is take her off the thing. And y'all know I've been liking glueless units, you know what I'm saying? So I've been molding these little suckers down, and then so I could just put them on my head. So hopefully this baby girl just climb on my head. Y'all, I'm gonna show you what the inside look like. Let me go ahead and put her strap on her so she can gobble my head cap up. But y'all, this is what it looks like in the inside. It was like transparent lace. All I did was put a little makeup right there. I did bleach the knots, so I hope you can see in there. I did bleach the knots, and I just molded it into a little side part, because y'all know I like side parts. Hold on, girl, let me get you out the way. Home, girl, you all up in the way, baby girl. Anyway, it has clips right here on both sides and in the back. So let me cut the lace off my home girl, and we're gonna see what she twerkulating and percolating with. Throw her back. Let's see what she's giving, honey. Let's see what she's giving. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Then, see y'all, and let me pull this back. Cause like I said, y'all, I don't like glue. I don't want to have to glue it down, and y'all see it's not glued down. I have my little baby hairs here. There's no cap under here at all. Only thing on this hair is mousse, so you see how easy it is to comb that mousse out. But honey, this is cute. Oh my god. Okay, y'all, I have not, let me stand up so I can show you. I have not I just let this hair air dry. I did not wash it. Only thing I did was rinse out the bleach on my knots. So I did not wash the hair. This is the hair in its natural state when it's air dried. Oh, honey. Honey. I am gonna use my flat iron just to run it through so I can show you guys how the hair look when it's flat ironed. I'm just gonna do one pass. Y'all know I like I do a couple more passes so I can see if I can get it bone straight. Y'all know I like a lot of texture in my hair. Honey, let me run my hands. Let me run it, pass it through the hair. Oh, honey, this hair is so soft. Okay, no tangling, no shedding. Like I said, you will have to bleach the knots on this hair. It does come with transparent lace. I did not leave the bleach on this hair long, so I kind of didn't bleach the knots all the way. But honey, oh baby, girl, let me do this side, honey, because y'all playing games. Y'all, still no shedding, even with passing. Y'all see how easy it is to straighten this hair, honey. All right. Oh, girl, imagine when I get to cut. Oh, look at that. Just with me. Oh, girl, I'm looking motherfucking good. Girl, I'm looking good. Hello, can anybody see this? It's a 5x5 cap size medium. Like I said, I could have went small cap size with this because there's plenty of room back here. But if you on the safe side, get a medium like I did. Y'all, density is hair is 200. It's a 5x5 closure and it's 20 inches. I thought this was 22 inches. I'm going to show you how long it is. It does go to my butt for this to be a 20 inch. It goes all the way down here. Y'all, I do want to take this wig off, all the way off, and put it back on so y'all can see. Okay, it's grabbing me in the back of my nape. Okay, she don't wanna get off me. Somebody press charges. Okay, she let go when I said something about pressing charges. Okay, y'all. Oh, girl, like some type of pigeon. This is the wig, as you can see, inside. All right, let me throw her back on, girl, because y'all know these heifers be trifling. Let me put her on. Stop, Pop. My cat down there doing what she want to do. All right. Let me put my homegirl on right and quit playing with her. All right, y'all. Let's pull her to the front. Let's pull her to the front. Then you put your clamps, your little clamps down on the side, y'all. Show you guys how easy it is. And there you have it. There she is in all her glory. Let me pull her to the front some, because, girl, y'all know y'all heifers be trifling. And there she go. Let me comb her down. Y'all, all I did was mold her down and run the flat irons through her. Y'all seen how she come, how easy it is to manage her. Okay, y'all, I went ahead and made a middle part, and baby, I've been asleep on these middle parts. Honey, I went ahead and molded this hair, just put some mousse right here so that I could put this hair in the middle part since I had molded it into a side part. But honey, either this just been making my face slimmer or I just been asleep on the middle parts. Y'all know I'm a side part type of honey, but honey, this been giving me what I needed to give. Like, dang. Y'all, I switched up. Y'all, let me know what you like better, the middle part or the side part. But honey, this middle part, dang, what's been going on with me? Normally, I do not like middle parts. Y'all, what the world? Oh my goodness, this hair is so pretty, y'all. And like I said before, this still is, you know, still is the closure. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. This did what it did, honey. Y'all, I'm about to just start switching over the closures because, baby, for this to just go on my head like this, look at that. Glueless, and I ain't got to glue it. I'm down with this now. Y'all, all I did, like it's still damp, all I did was just put some mousse right here because I really wanted y'all to be able to see how it look in the middle part, because sometimes that be a make or break, because I was looking like, but baby, with this middle part, it's giving me, look at all the head meat. But girl, look at how it slimmed, gave me a slim, thick Mona Lisa that wear Jordans and flip-flops in the hood. Do you hear me? Y'all already know how I love looking like the Mona Lisa that wear Air Force Ones, honey. But girl, I'm giving Jordan. I'm giving fade away. I mean, I'm giving Mona Lisa that date Bootsy. Lil Bootsy that got a baby from Lil Bootsy and whatnot. Like, I mean, what's tea? What am I giving, girl? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, y'all. And this hair is so easy to flat iron, like it ain't even getting back frizzy. I only just been like, I like the hair in its natural state with just like running a flat iron through it, no shedding. Look how full this wig is. You can tell that this is 200 density. I never knew like what the difference be, but baby, I could tell, especially with straight hair. Look at all that. Oh, I'm giving what I'm giving. I definitely like the middle part better. Look at, girl, what you said? What was said? Girl, it looked like I'm from Zamunda. I supposed to just be sitting on a rock. Girl, I was in the Lion King, baby. Hello. I look like a fine meerkat. They got a long wig on, honey. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Let me know which, like, do you like the side part or the middle part? But, honey, I'll see you guys in the next video. How you, oh, girl, I'm looking like a fine Snicker bar. I'm talking about a deep fried one that you just, when you go to the fair, like a deep fried Oreo, baby. I'm giving what it's giving. All right, see you guys in the next video. Peace.